nsɛm a yɛnkae yɛ ho yaw ministers afrim ɛno ho nsɛm a o ti nyame amfa fie na anya mpaebɔ ammoa yɛn so ɔmanya nanka yɛbɛte no nsɛnkyerɛfoɔ ɛbɛboro nwɔtwe deɛ wɔn ne driver no wɔn ayɛ nyame dia ba ɔka galamsey ho asɛm a na ebi fin sɛ ɛyɛ agudie ɛsɛ yɛ kyɛsɛ serious nana good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko de.
You can't complain.
Me say ya na afi maboto enra. Na me wie me se me ko home na no pay ma be program. Enti me wo hwa na me nya mfonyini bi. Na che se me nua mreku abostic. As an mfonyini a ya pimpam ne hade ye atetare no hwa. Je se na muje pram na me say edi ni. Na I had to come back for news ni ade. Sad. Ana ye kon say
Nhyira ye betchia etiefo ye kan say eno ye ni abostic etwetwen enkomo wa ha na obi a wuti bia no na ye EP ni China for nyoma
sure
so obeka cannot happen say galamsey issue no enya simple sir even this week so obeka
me no we argument pa ho
e ka che say
unemployment
it is not simple
sure
na another researcher mo who say emrantie no emrantie na ye wo no enyomo mahuhu agu omanum anom akogye no say a crime scene and they say galamsey obi oye galamsey dodo na no is either say onum bibi ana waji bibi eduro bi ana ni gidie bi say dodo na kra gi etuo ni sekan eduro
okay ba ku yom ko ro ne ho twitwa ani
enti say no enye de ye di ye ni hu no a difficult job now
so wo boni tuo ni kra enko
me say na no me kire obibi na ya na ebia mo adwen maso me say violence no ye ka violence conflict kire say me ne wa adwene enye pe eye normal but violent conflict ye de ntokwa eba enti ye wo de ye physical ne say mitime bu a mechiwa bu ene ye wo invisible violence ye medi kan ye visible no hu se obi bu bi a obi abu obi hu se akra ne honam ye ne ya obi de kin na ball na say
obi hu
mark bi ene de wutimi hu se ye ne we praw ne mom de na ehu pa ye invisible one no de wonfu ani hu baako aye cultural violence ena baako aye structural violence. Cultural violence in akwa it's a free ha we say we free stream we say near dear dinner near ntinani ho but structural violence and your friend is systematic and not systemic ya said that boapa ayo madwen say yesisiu but esisie no obi antimi nka bi maw what you say akwa ti say obi anim say politicians nitimi ya nneoma bi na bia yes wa fa sika bi na sika no beba no na yasa pe lawyers na lawyers na say defend sabi de susu se oye kromfo no ba wo de no koto banche no ne brode no ye de na kotum kra ya nche ho structural violence ni bi any say MP na ye che no all of a sudden ye ya na yi no ne say dem bail condition ne hwan na say o ye MP ne the indemnity but if you are the same thing we deal with you structural violence ni bi any say ye nim say MP for mu konye MP say nyoma e wo parliament MP bobo mu ho and so bepem ne MPs no mu da so ye adwuma ye from honorable
nso esi obi adwuma mu enko dem
but se wo ko say obi ade a sa ade ni bidi it's structural violence is systemic say ade bi a yenya nim say nya bai ase system na dia tuntu kan wo kan say
yes so
na de tie nie ba ko ne say and just project it for me
okay
and I need you ba me hu say NDC for ne share nyoma bi Oh, Ghana is the seeds producer of gold in the world.
Yeah,
and the first in Africa. It's Aban Papaba.
Yeah.
Let me state it emphatically. This is not the first time. Ghana nya santi nya NDC abreso na Ghana ye number 1.
Sure.
Enya NDC abreso na Ghana ye number 1 in Africa. And number 6 in the world.
Yeah.
And yet, about Papasem, it's got nothing to do with John Mahama.
Yeah.
Now, and you knew as NDC Nisa or country, ye say Ghana ye number 1 in gold. What I say? And number 6 in Africa. Because argument be about pain. A be by a can once and Jeff go back to 2023, 2024. Look at our rankings. Eto bia ye kan sem na ya ye nheda nkwache and ye nya time when ye research enti ye kan say ya me say go back to 2020 ne koche Ghana ye ranking to say we go mu go back obetimi asha say even 2020 go back and check Ghana ye ranking ye gold production ye ranking to say
even in 2019 ye overtake South Africa
2019
yeah
okay
Bloomberg report
okay
Ghana becomes top gold producer, overtaking South Africa.
Enti na Akufo-Addo time onumpu no. Na Ghana gold no, yeah number 1. So it is no news.
Yeah.
Yeah number 6, the top 10 gold producers no. Hoda dada. Muda munko actually mami. I was saying make structural violence and systemic violence.
Yeah.
And they say obi who say menitua na udidi ajame. Ade ne ye nyina ye dia but udidi ajame. De man krofo bi ye nyoma bi no. Me kire udie ntia ema obi kwobo kro no. Muntie ne ye o mamonje manu nsi bone.
Edidija.
Me kire udie ntia obi be ye na adwen so obeye slave queen. Me kire udie ntia obi be ye na adwen se okofra framu sosofo.
Yeah.
Me kire udie ntia obi be ye na adwen se obedi bone bi.
Sure.
Said the beya ono nso benya bi. Because you owi ade wo aban adwuma mu no. Ono nso wa abusia.
Sure.
Enti wa hu ni se obeye se ya wan hwe on mobra.
Yeah.
Because Ghana me hu se uye adwuma krojen pa na de nyame na ye adwuma ekombedo.
Yeah.
Unye sika. Obekọ retirement ubewu.
Yeah.
Ye betimi anya examples of papa bi ane afa ni PCAP ofori.
Yeah.
No wokofo aban mu. Near friend anti-corruption advocate. Idrume bi na kofo okoton Vodafone. Obegina ho ka se on prenso no ye MPP ni.
Yeah.
Papa no kohwe na setrem. Enkoye.
Yeah.
Me won krofo bebre wo ho amode kroje ewi adwuma a eno mu wie no edan kromu ni bi.
Yeah. Is a beka trust wa mobra.
Enti abusia na make systemic. Ma cho de enti agalam say issue no ne ya ye din na ye kan say no.
So 2023.
Okay.
And top 15 countries are global gold production no. Womo contribute to 68%.
Because NDC for a projected share say aban papentina ye gold production. Me ya ban bi ankamani be wukra se meka sanse munu no. Into 2023 boami. Enti
nana ose se we gold ni ewiase nyina de a yetuo no. Na se wo man na yeton no.
Yes.
Se ye chemu du a aman ahodo be dunum
2023. One na president.
Omo di mu be na nana do danko
ekufa. Okay, to us man.
Ye yimu be nson ye chemu du emu nson de sa aman dunum yi ene wo mutimi ma wiase nyina nya sa gold no.
Okay.
China edikan.
China
378.2 tons.
Right.
We na me ya no.
China
galamse ni o.
Okay.
Russia
but on no wa project wo Facebook
no. And to join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5.
Behwebi yeah.
Russia 321.8
yeah, bobo countries na we are seeing no more gold no. We year 2023 na Akufo-Addo breso. Okay.
Nana, I think say millions, right? Millions
tons, yes.
Okay. So Australia there, 293.8 Canada 191.9.
Yes.
US and also 166.7.
What the share countries in Nina, you say ye go to national country the way it's here. You are the pictures number 2 1 watch your countries, you know. The way is it here. And what Tiana can say, by Papa Benti Ghana, you go to now. May catch will say, Ghana, you can't gold production, no, you bet this when you're
okay, thank you, Odi. So millions in ounces.
Yeah.
Okay. Now Ghana the near 135.1 tons or millions ounces.
Yes.
Na so we know. Ghana the no yet 1 2 3 4 5 6. What?
It's 6 even as of 2023.
We were
6.
So this is not new.
So any new me person go for who say our story way
thank you, Jeff. 2019 the na mekan so what they about.
Great.
China still on top. Russia etwaso. Australia eba, America eba, Canada ba, Peru eba, and Sana Ghana. So at this point 2019 here is 7th.
Good.
So improvement by
maybe
do 6 2023.
Yes.
And then it means still you are stagnant.
And even overtook South Africa at some point.
Yeah.
At some point.
Yeah. Because I'm going to lead it.
The point is that ways our statistics way may Ghana ni many bewu.
Yeah.
If there's a sample na near Casa Assembly near Busa say and a year bang. Ghana year number 1 in Africa. You see about gold. And a year day. And a year number 6 no. At that time you busa say in a year day. If you say Krona Ubo Bosono, China, Jeff, pa Crony in a number first, you know, never more pictures to walk a crack. If you're being said and Tiasi, ne compare the fact say and ne ye fireable, Manson Quantahono, question how deprived they are.
Yeah. Well, I'm saying it's crowd and
I'm so question anti-meka structural violence. And they say, when we say Chromo Hagana no gold no, yes, yeah, number 1, and so me, so no.
Yeah.
It is a me who to massage so I mean to me too.
Sure.
Until I'm saying Galam say issue a socio-economic problems. And yes, simple sir. And to do me I say, Ube managing year because nipa 4 million now mo omunya bidino. Omususu say anka uwa by now betimi akache say Ghana ye number 1 in Africa, number 6 in the world no. Na me kroma say obuase tantan she obuase ofe. Obuase ye 2 gold, Anglo gold the 2 gold for over 100 years in obuase. She do obuase aye. Neko South Africa, neko South Africa. The same Anglo gold na.
And the youth employment opportunities are wo be those countries in the moment.
And no social mu say ebo na wo pan no. Ma me nso menya kakra. And no for problem neighbor no.
Yeah.
So you see, in as much as say they be you protect the system no.
Yeah.
Abaya abako mampanyin kofo, mampanyin JM. Ne na Kufu Addo ne o matena ase ama oman no ohia bamu.
Yeah.
Gold ni ye tu de. Gold ni ye de ye nyoma de. Ba nipo na onu tim no hu se me krom ni ye tu gold nso menya so mfaso a me so bekwa akope bi. Say you discuss issues and discussing ye.
Yeah.
We a social challenge. Social challenge in say semeti one ye catch them say kro we a kro be fa church me afa momo ame. Odimu de to so ya momo ame. Be hwe kro na ye ka ho asem no. Enti obi wo manso, obi wo setwi, obi wo eastern region, western region a o hwe sa nyoma we a. Ono so bekwa kwa galam say asem because nso hie ska.
Yeah. It's true.
O jisika na o de bekwa kosi East Legon dan.
Yeah.
Obi wo East Legon o ye galam say. Obi te dan fefe mu onum nso pa to ye galam say.
Yeah.
Na excavator na ye ne dia because excavator 15 billion ne ho an wuntimi nto.
Now boys
young guys say 15 billion or free here. You get the point?
Yeah.
Shekro na ye catch up where in Russia and as we him. Where
about China hono just say.
And he said krona ye bubosu nyina so mu ye gold no. Krono enyini.
Na the young ones omo edi echi kra no. Omo edi echi 7th 8th no kra no. If you are looking at the economy, better than
the BN wants to be as a crony so me galam say.
Yeah, the tosu 6, omo tosu 7 ni 8 ni ade. They are better.
The only country I can galam say asem Ghana yenso ye kan hu bi. Enti say wo ye kro na be hye obi nsuo be hye the way we see atechire ne man a. Enti what we call structural violence be ye adwuma. Enti mrantia na say wo mu pempanyfo na buo mu. O mu pe soldiers abuo mu. O mu pe obi a be anti-yen mu bi. O mu pe abuye no. It is because they feel say motito na ekomode yen.
Enti Russia de ensu ni.
Where Russia?
Yeah. Very beautiful.
But all the Facebook be share Russia.
Very ekwan no kra de da kuru ni mu kra efe.
Bra Facebook never share Russia. Ye boss one no ache kro na ye say omutu gold da Ghana ye toso number 6. We are seeing nyina ye say Ghana e shemu no. Na che ni kro de wa we see the gold na ye. Galamsey ni ho. Ni nso nse ye.
Ye de no. Accra to Kumasi road kra ntimi mfanye. Na ni pewu.
Na wa de we see asihwehwe nia.
Very beautiful.
Ghana hankia says no kra nyam no ayen basa.
Enti we kire wo se nana ye betumi atu gold no bebre wa bra e how bia e ma wo. Enti gold no nye problem.
Yeah.
But e ya dwempo ne se de yesi ye no na ye problem.
If we say na panyin ne ko sign contract no or sign ne say Anglo Gold for Newmont for Asanko for mo ye amomfa we mbreme.
Yeah.
The akadie me ne online no ene bedili to no ne ba obeto ne concession wa ye na dwuma krogen aban ne gisika na o de concrete no de akwa project enkran aye ho interchange na mansofo obre na mansofo ni nsuo na mansofo ni eni saa nyoma no eti wo sori a ono so be se wo so nusu didi enti galamsey activities no akratifo a wo mu wom enyina because of realize here na me kro mu ne yetu yi ye the helicopter na kikikikiki aba betam ounces near the ko ai na ono what wa person ye den obeka no ho so you see when we are talking about some of these things near soriano pani ani abrea oti wana wo ani abre na wo kan ba umia ne hwan ne kan ne nasefo na wani abre na wo toto ayampia na bidi atem instead of you say be kan bom wo kroma say and your man koye nipa be 4.5 million are surviving because they feel say okasian stop galamsey na problem wo ho and it happened because una ma kwan into ohene ne hwa was na me kro nie na aban was the problem is aban wa aban na hyehyɛ adwumafo
sure
wa buy the sign contract say otimi for 90 na buy na for be 10 wa buy na hyehyɛ no hyehyɛ wie na ekomo dewa problem ne say abai won fi yen will take action it me say na galamsey issue no aye deadly sa delta force any militant groups na wo Nigeria no ebi aba menka say ebi aba ho
omo na ebi akofo omo abegugure mu
omo now Burkina say one of the things aye ho adwuma ne say omo the cyanide
serious
say muntie say omo the cyanide ye ka cyanide
very deadly
ye the cyanide mpacho muntie he say investigations say guso ya enche ye de beba abontene say manso enclave ne baby bebre wo ho a galamsey for ne the cyanide and say omo di huhuru gold no mo wi o ma say jagu enso nim te wo de otowa wo so mfa ho ye nom cyanide ye wu cyanide nso kra de e dangerous e poisonous scratch lead ne mercury no right now research na ye
na unim say with this cyanide no ese no na gold no say bia omo tuwie anwea na ese ya na bi wo mu no omo the cyanide ne netwe gold ni di free mu na ba bia ye de begu bia no enonom ekọ water table no asase no ase ba bia nsuo nti wo se wotu fie atu abura no cyanide no se memfa ne se ufie no okokwansin ba akobi na se ye tu bi wo ho na se be kwansin be enum na ye tu bi wo ho a enonom fa asase na se ba nsuo na wotu wo fie ho ni nyina nti se de wo de wani hu wo asase so no enye sa na nsuo na da asase ase ne te na cyanide no nom ko sa water table no a ubetu abura wo fie na wo nom
me say cyanide
and this is dangerous
aba say cyanide muntie abusanfo mutie yen cyanide pato boame that effect of cyanide na nkofo ntie de eke eye poisonous na se sia ye kase because mimi krom pechi number 2 yi eche mutu galamsey enti manso enclave ni amansie ne takwane na sefo nyina no excessive use of cyanide and as say ekoso and as say esipo into the water table and me say enche ye the research ne beba
Na one
say na me yema sheme wo me hu kakra no. And almost say so far many experts in education komo. Almost say a higher than the normal.
Oh yeah. Na unim say high dose no so dangerous. Cyanide ni be akomu a dose no wo soro a obetimi collapse at once.
Cyanide
cardiac arrest obetimi anyawu. And this is very dangerous. Na liver problems in the keka kan wono kra de yen kan.
Yeah.
Ese bofa so a Jeff, thank you. Ebi di tipaye ene ade esutimi ba so du anakoma bɔ ne periperi wonte ase na nse menyare mente apɔ ne ade a. Na wunim se betumi ababi mu kra anya. Ne ho ebetumi obetumi anya saa aho woso no te se de wanya etwere no. Na wunim se etimi yɛ omusa because wo nerves na affect wo nerves no. Neurological system no ebe effect na
neurological ye dem family from entiase
honam akwa ni bi no na eno no eye yemfa say honamu ntini a ebua ma nipadua no edi nkita ho nipadua ne adwene no di nkita ho ne ade enti no nipa no ho a won say sebe ne ho ba bi popo e ho a say uti no kras wonte ne ba bi aye nampo ne ade a nana serious.
Now asem we yen sanka de bebim na enchel.
Liver any kidney no de ekra de.
Enti what's up papa wo tie me tie wo. Tina me say na structural violence ni ne say oman a wo ye ka go da ka ho. Wo kwan nye. Nhyira. Adwuma ni system ni mu. Enkrofo esu. Yetimi si ye kwan na yasa makwan na sa koso traffic. Enfuturo kunipa.
Yeah.
Enkofo hospitals enye.
Yeah.
She aferi minie ya nyame nkwankomu enye nyame ne ba mankomu kowi because of galamsey activities inti. Sa aferi hospital ne ye adwuma ujiri senka e wose nkomu de umba kolebu. E kan say agi.
Debi.
Sa same way na de bia ye kan mo nhye dantiase na mo de you are only interested in who wins. Afaria yera Jomahama ye na akufo ado so beto aso wie ye a anka se nkan kofo bebre a mo problem no sebi nkom be ba ha.
Yeah.
And then what is happening? And then what is happening? Say people needed to die.
Serious.
And kofo nya problem say na cyanide e koso nyina hi because galam say foi nyina hi manso omu te cyanide mu omu didi cyanide mu omu ye bibia cyanide mu eno abi no musa di dua to so de no e be ko kejete ne obekwa akoto intos ne nyaadoa cyanide nsuo enti ye ka untie yen structural violence. Seriously. One of the things I mean many age any the good board ne no.
Yeah.
Say right now no.
You better find
and I think it's brilliant.
Yeah.
Say John Muhammad Odia Bay otimi ye ni ye ya.
O man na wie.
Ye wie.
Yeah.
Chrono no so bete. Na sa sika no. There has to be a system. E wo say gold board no kra na check royalties.
Yeah.
Minim say wo mu loss no ma. E wo say gold board na check royalties say de be ya e beduru baabi no. Say aban ni timi ye ni ye a. Hwe onia research betro say 2013 to 2016 Ghana ye lusu say $6 billion. 2016 alone Honorable Owusu Benito Bio no ye deputy minister of lands and natural resources.
Yeah.
Okay, in 2017 say 2016 alone under John Mahama Ghana ye lusu $7 billion through illegal means. 2018 and then from Pomboati and Kanche. Or say every year Ghana lose $30 billion.
Right.
You could report by or say $1.1 billion between 2019 and 2021 near to me accounted for.
Sure.
Yet to Kromu Hana Al Jazeera 4-year research. I mean who say Akwabi say every month no to me the 40 million. If we have echo. Ye wo Kromu Hana 2017 na nado dankwa kufa dosia in Central 4. Ena obi kobusan say na gold ho asemete sen na Akufo-Addo ka che say oh senior minister Osafo Manfo eko UAE Dubai omuni omudi enkomo pa chiaye omuni omudi enkomo chiaye bebre ya what happened?
Yeah,
the omu kan ni nyina ne say omu books mu no na ye $7 billion omu books mu na ye $7 billion come
sure
sit there
senior
and so uko ye books ma na ye 2 billion.
Right.
Na Akufo-Addo Bratanzi. But oti na Akufo-Addo 2017 go back meet the press.
Sure.
I said Dubai for XR senior minister Safoma for say.
Yeah.
You knew made the gold who just 7 billion. But omo books in no. Na ye Ghana dey 2 billion. But no mo honey 7 billion. Ebe pem ne ye hu dey see ye. Enye
obi ahwe.
Enti enye gold board do kra ne buy me hu say eh
sika wum.
Say sika won ye betimi ahanese a ankasa sika we yankofo gusu wia.
Na wonim say na Ghana fo nyina adwene ne say companies ya mo kwan tu sika wo man mu no omo na de sika dwane omo ye wia no mo de nyina kona Ghana enya kakra bi sa na ya adwene ye say na sika wa na emo mu ntwefa mu.
Yes.
Hey,
so for me before say Erastus beba no attention.
Yeah.
This is what I want to say. First of all, number 1. Galamsey for no the amana dini to oni nyina ne say aban ti ase say aban parliament hyehye mrafo bi a wona omutuo no nyamfaso more than wo mu no na omubetu.
Okay.
Na ebe din.
Yeah.
Se aban pese oye ni yi a mimi solution nie. Se eno ana dodo na aye didie. And now involve the chiefs ahemfo no.
Ahemfo no mrem.
Na ahemfo no mu na ye o masase. Enye de ebe nsuo. Ene de ebe forest. Nemom concession no de aban betimi aye ne say ohene asase we ye wodia. Concession no eye bia be 100. Ukroma fo mu ye say. Ye register. Woni aban ni DC na mo hwe sa concession no so. Mo bia anye illegal thing. One, e wose obia nso nya engineers a omo be kam ho. Enti se wo ye community mining and na say whatever mining na. E wose concession bia must have at least 2 or 3 engineers.
Right.
So unya sa na monitor. Omo no mu ho no benya bibia ye. Omo nsenso. Na wo aban no di AI police for me kra me yanka wo set camps ni base wo insuo ni forest reserve mu. Ma soldiers ne nkoda ho.
Yeah.
No mu nan so no afi AI betimi aye because minim doctor bia waye AI technology a eno kra de nya nipa
soldiers yasemu yi meni senior betwetwe ho nkomo kakra
AI no what you do is that obetimi asset drone AI wama parameters say obi a obeben insu na forest 100 meters bia no kuno eno anya police soldiers na bebemo why what set it say ha
ti drone bia na
na
etete ho na
etete wonti e wo sensor into the moment a oben forest reserve no ebe ping go back
they am mark I can tank
oba ya pa
ebekun enti omo mfa nhyem oba mekun o
and it can be done with AI tina yera Mahama can say we will solve it with AI no
right
AI can kill a lot of people omo wo insuo ne forest reserve
omo say no
sharp
thank you very much nada kojo Jantuah medasi p babusia and some ni senior betwetwe nkomo kai say family drilling company limited and we